So we're back again for another session. This time we're going to be talking about creating accounts using um, creating accounts whose owner is for a church project. Back in the system here, these are the entries we made on 3rd May, but now we're on 10th. I did not enter any records for the 10th, so we're on the 3rd altogether. So come back here and we'll press F3 to create an account. Now, these church project accounts, I've seen some churches, they have projects concerning, they say, building. I could have like a ceiling. Some will just maybe, a project is more like, these are accounts where the owner is the church, but the money is kind of separated. It's not LCB. So, for example, if I had maybe pavers, I wanted to pavers project, pavers, now put them as 2025. We can give them qualified names. So this one is creating an account for pavers of 2025, which is meaning that these pavers were put there. It's a project that was for 2025. If I just leave it like pavers like this, it becomes vague. After maybe 5 years, how would we be able to differentiate if we have also pavers into 2028 altogether? So it's very important if I'm creating these projects, I actually specify maybe the year altogether. I could also be making something like the church ceiling. This is ceiling, this is of 2025. I could also be purchasing land or any project that is bound to our particular church altogether. But I'll go with the pavers 2025. So the owner of this particular category is in building. It's in building altogether. So the owner type is a church project. So the owner is a creditor. Yes, it's a church project, but we specifically want this account. The money that goes onto it is not mixed up with the LCB. If I change the owner to LCB, that means that the money will go to LCB. So I need to change it. They're similar. The owners are more like the same, but the way we treat them is a little bit different. So this one becomes a creditor, meaning that all the money that is going on these pavers is still for the church, but there is a specific project we have reserved this money for. So that is one. Then I can actually save this all together. So if I come to enter, I can still press here again on my dotted lines here, because I'm still on the 3rd. I've not yet closed this particular Sabbath for the 3rd. So what I want to do is I want to navigate back to the 3rd. So it's going to change. You're about to change the current Sabbath. Are you sure you want to proceed? You say yes. So I put which names can I put? Maybe the children. The children actually contributed to. No, I'll use maybe family of Jerusalem. They contributed to the Pavers project 2025. They brought in collectively this amount of money altogether. So I can actually save this. So if you see, you won't see it immediately here. I've saved it, but you see now the date is 10th May because the other Sabbath went away. So if the way to view that, I just go back here, and if you see, I'll see all these particular entries. Actually, if you wanted to navigate back and see which Sabbath is you entered information for, this is where I just click on this drop down here, and that's what I do. I just click and I select the actual date. So I'll go to the 3rd. I can see. So that's an example of the church project. So yeah, with that we end this session. Thank you.